Welcome to Japan, a land of stunning natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. Prepare to embark on a visual journey through its wonders. Our adventure begins at Matsuyama Castle, where the first rays of dawn turn its ancient walls a majestic gold. Travel through time with a glimpse of the Toshogu Shrine Pagoda, showcasing Japan's intricate and colorful architecture. Find tranquility at sunrise on the shores of Lake Biwako, where the sun casts a golden glow on the water. Nature takes center stage at Geibi Gorge, with its towering rock formations enveloped in lush greenery. Experience the spiritual heart of Japan at Fushimi Inari Shrine, where thousands of red torii gates guide you on a mystical journey. Seek inner peace at Tennoji Temple, where a golden Buddha statue radiates serenity in the sunlight. Witness the dynamic energy of Tokyo at night, illuminated by neon lights in a city that never sleeps. Winter's majesty is revealed on Mount Yotei, where snow blankets the mountain in pristine white. In spring, the ephemeral beauty of cherry blossoms at Fushimi Inari announces the arrival of a new season. Indulge your senses with the exquisite flavors of traditional Japanese cuisine. Find peace in the tranquility of the Japanese countryside, where rolling green hills meet majestic mountains. Lose yourself in the serene atmosphere of a bamboo forest, bathed in soft sunlight. Explore the electric atmosphere of Akihabara in Tokyo, a district buzzing with electronics and vibrant nightlife. Return to Lake Biwako, where a sunrise paints the water with breathtaking colors. In Hokkaido, spring transforms the landscape into a vibrant canvas of blooming flowers against a clear blue sky. Matsuyama Castle stands as a timeless landmark against the changing sky. Take a glimpse into Japan's rich history with a visit to a traditional Japanese bathhouse. Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of Japanese culture with live performances of traditional music and dance. Experience the majestic Mount Yotei from a bird's eye view, its peak piercing the clouds. Witness Tokyo's transformation from a vibrant city to a glittering metropolis as dusk settles. Find serenity at Geibi Gorge, where the Setetsu River's crystal-clear waters reflect the beauty of nature. Experience the magic of spring with a close-up view of a blooming cherry blossom, Japan's iconic symbol of renewal. Explore the tranquility of Tofukuji Temple, with its serene gardens and intricate architecture offering a haven for the soul. Beneath a lush bamboo forest canopy, find peace as sunlight dapples the leaves. Experience the romantic beauty of Tokyo Bay and the iconic Shibuya crossing, where hundreds cross in all directions, symbolizing Tokyo's energy. Enjoy a breathtaking time-lapse of Tokyo at night, transforming into a glittering sea of lights with the iconic Tokyo Tower standing tall. Celebrate spring's arrival with a close-up of a vibrant cherry blossom against a clear blue sky, a beloved image of Japan symbolizing new beginnings. Tantalize your taste buds with traditional Japanese cuisine, from the delicate art of sushi to the hearty comfort of ramen. Witness the transformation of a traditional Tokyo Pagoda temple at night, its red and gold architecture glowing beautifully under city lights. Dive deep into the underwater world at the Osaka Aquarium with a close-up of sharks swimming. Take in a breathtaking view of the Tokyo skyline at twilight from the Mori Museum, capturing the city bathed in warm hues. Enjoy a time-lapse of Osaka Bay at night, showcasing the vibrant lights of the Ferris wheel and other attractions. Immerse yourself in the city's lively atmosphere. Peek at the Izu Velodrome, an Olympic cycling venue showcasing Japan's dedication to sports and modern architecture. End your journey with a majestic view of Mount Fuji in winter, its iconic peak blanketed in snow and surrounded by clouds, a powerful reminder of Japan's natural beauty. Conclude your exploration with a final glimpse of the intricate Buddha statue at Tennoji Temple in Tokyo, finding peace and serenity amidst the city's energy. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for exciting travel content and tips. Also, follow us on Instagram at Wanderlust Adventurers to stay updated with our latest adventures and giveaways. Happy travels!